Okay, hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, hello, nice to meet you. If you've been with me for quite some time, hello, nice to see you again. Today is a day where I'm gonna share with you how I set up the office or work area of mine. Hopefully, ma-justify ko lahat ng items na nabili ko sa Lazada. I have this sanitizer, alcohol sprayer, fancy alcohol spray. So, I like this durable, fancy, clean, and very minimalist yung design niya. One spray, sometimes continuous pa siya eh. Like, very lucrative yung experience nito. So, you need this. Bakit? Siyempre, maya't-maya kailangan mag-alcohol tayo. Just to make sure na clean ang ating mga belongings. H2O humidifier. And super mura lang din ito. And what I like about this, hopefully mag-turn on siya, hindi siya naka-charge. But this lights up purple, blue, reddish color. So, maganda rin siyang night lamp. At the same time, like a very aesthetic appeal in your desk area. You can choose your favorite scent or aroma. I love it. Siyempre, scent, they affect our emotions. It makes us feel good showing up for work every day. Correct? Tama ba? If you can relate. Marami ako nakitang ganito, guys. But, wait. By the way, bakit hindi naman siya naka-on kasi hindi naman siya naka-charge. So, nalobat siya. Kailangan siya i-charge. Yes, of course. Chargeable siya. And this is a Bluetooth wireless speaker. Yes, yun na nga. Bluetooth nga siya kasi, diba? And then at the same time, clock na rin siya. And alarm clock na rin siya. Act with a sense of urgency. May deadline ka. May oras tayo. Time conscious tayo dapat pag nagtatrabaho. Kaya I thought we need that. We need that in the desk. Essential siya. It's very important. Mura lang din yan, guys. I mean, when I say mura, mga siguro nasa acrylic container. I don't know first kung ilalagay ko siya sa vanity area ko or sa desk area ko. But I thought I didn't want that usual drawer na nakikita sa mga desk area. So, I wanted something that's different. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng mga paper clips, stickers, post-its. And at the same time, kitang-kita ko siya kasi nga, clear siya. So, gusto ko yung nakikita ko agad para hindi na ako mag-isip ko anong alin dito ko hahanapin yung USB ko, cable, charging cable ko. Alam niyo yun, guys? Relate pa kayo, guys? I'm sure. Very functional siya. Meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4. And super big. Yung dimensions niya. Malaki siya. And durable. Durable naman siya. I mean, look at it. Thick naman yung pagka-acrylic niya. And what I love about acrylic is that it doesn't take up visual space. Yun talaga yun, guys. Ayoko yung masyadong cluttered, heavy yung desk. Stick to the theme ng white, airy desktop. Super cute na keyboard that super affordable ha, and it comes in this mint green, but it kind of looks like blue in person, pero nung sa picture it remind me of seafoam. Seafoam is my favorite color. White keypads doesn't really make that much sound, pero I like the feeling yung pag nagta-type ka. Comes with the battery na binili ko siya, and guys, meron din siyang mouse. Next is this phone holder. And it is made of plastic. Akala ko steel siya. So, medyo disappointed ako. Choosy pa ba ako for the price point, diba? Hindi na. Although minsan, guys, I just wanna warn you if you're gonna buy this. Yun nga, mabigat yung phone mo. So, yun. Mabalentong yung phone. Nag-acrobat yung phone. Hindi natin gusto yun. It will do. For now, for just aesthetic, personal touch to add to the desk na hindi naman talaga siya essential, but I believe you can make it an essential if you want to make your work area pleasing to the eye. Is this vase, this clear bottle. So, looks like this. Then, this one naman is an old freebie from gifts that I got. Yung laptop mount or stand para just to make sure that your laptop can breathe. May breathing area, space siya sa ilalim, and then naka-mount siya at the same time. Level siya sa eye mo kapag nag-zoom, YouTube. Very affordable na to. There's a time na super mahal naman ganito, pero nagmurahan na sila eventually. This is not the best quality. Mas may mga nakita pa ako mas mahal, mas heavyweight, and mas durable. Pero kung hindi naman siya ililipat-lipat and naka-steady lang siya dyan, this will do. mouse pad that I got in 2 colors. So, meron siyang silver at the back. And then here, in front, meron siyang parang gray yeah, grayish. But this one's a bit glittery or shiny. For affordable then, it comes with this wrap around when you want to travel or put it back or ligpitin siya, pwede. Okay, another aesthetic item that I got for the desk is this David Boss na may hole that you can use as a pen holder, whatever, kahit for flowers, pwede rin. Super cute lang niya. It adds, what does it add? Nag-a-add siya ng sauciness. Mas social yung desk mo, diba? You just have to take care of it na hindi siya mabasag kasi it is, I think, it is ceramic. Protective eye gear. Whenever I'm in Zoom meetings or pagod na yung mata ko, scrolling or editing videos, I can use this organizing desk na, ilan ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It's like packed na when you buy it, different sizes. So, pwede mong ilagay yung mga kung ano-ano dito, scissors and stuff. And I also got myself a scissor, white scissor, when you're opening packages or just cutting. This electric fan at the same time, light na rin siya, that you have to constantly charge. Hindi siya malubat, pero sobrang lakas ng hangin nito, guys. Kahit ganito lang yung issue na nito. I got this from the mall, dito siya sa Lazada, and I just thought of putting it because it bagay siya sa theme natin. Of course, I also bought set ng pen, 15 pieces ng gel pen. This is the 0.5 millimeters, and I think it's talking about the point nung pangsulat niya. Ayan. And of course, hindi mawawala ang post-it notes. So, bumala ko ng dalawa. home office desk setup. Tama ba? That is our home office desk table setup. And I haven't fixed the whole office yet. It's a very small room, guys. So I'll vlog it once everything is set up, and hopefully ma-inspire kayo to make use of whatever space you have at home, no matter how small it is, you can convert it to a productive space. If you have any suggestions, just let me know in the comments down below. And if may mga items kayo na meron kayo that doesn't work for you, actually guys, if I may just say, ito, I charged it, doesn't wanna turn on. So, warning na lang guys. Meron na nagpupukpok sa labas namin, hindi ko na sasabayan. Okay, guys. And don't forget to channel your positivity and be a ray of sunshine to every meet because you are. Bye! Idamay. Nice! Siyang button here. You lift it up. Steamer na rin siya. And then, merong pansandok. May manual. Tapos may measuring cup. And then, ganito kalaki. Ang name niya is Micromatic. Warm to. Just depress lang din siya.